it's me, I'm Lia. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I come with a Greek salad. A salad is a super refreshing dish for summer. This one has tomatoes, cucumbers, olives and feta cheese. This salad takes me back to Crete, an island in Greece. I went to vacation there 3 summers ago and I used to have this for dinner every single day. You'll see, it tastes amazing. So if you come with me, I'll show you how to make it.
First, I am going to dice the tomato. This tomato, as you can see, was huge, so I only used half of it. Also, you should know that I like veggies in big chunks, so you can of course chop them smaller if that's your preference. Then we can transfer the cut tomato onto a larger bowl and let it sit for a while. Then we can peel a cucumber and slice them in circles. That's how they eat it in Greece, but if you have any other preference, of course, you can chop it however you like it. And now we'll also transfer the cucumber with the tomatoes to the large bowl. I am using a tender onion. It's sweeter, so you don't cry as much when peeling it. I am going to cut it in julienne, as thinly as possible. I love the flavor that the onion gives to the salad, so I'm using the whole onion. But of course, if you don't like it as much, you can use only half. We'll transfer the sliced onion into the bowl as well. The feta cheese is what the Greek salad is most known for. We are going to cut them in cubes, and then we are going to add it to the bowl. We'll add the kalamata olives, and then we are going to prepare the vinaigrette. For the vinaigrette, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We are going to also crack some salt, and if you wish, some pepper too. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon of honey. And now we'll mix everything until it's well incorporated. You'll see how it should look like. 10 to 15 minutes before eating the salad, we'll pour the dressing on top. And then we'll mix everything together and let it sit for those 10 to 15 minutes. Now the only thing left is to plate the salad. And as they say in Greece, kali orexi. Enjoy!
I really hope you like this dish, and if you dare to try it, let me know and tag me on social media. Until next time, and remember, put some Mediterranean flavor in your lives. Bye!
And subscribe.